This is in India.
Yeah,
Somewhere in India.
yeah, somewhere in India, somewhere in northeast India. I used to come here for cycling.
This will be very nice place for jogging as well.
I think you should go. You should start.
Nice. It is an ideal weather and we are going to towards Suknu again. But we will not reach Suknu again. We've been here many times. We've never reached Suknu. Not even once. I don't know why.
Oh, this is free.
Oh, they are going to stop here once. Okay, this is going to be somebody laid a foundation. This is called Faith Academy. So I think they are going to construct school. Oh, we should go up. I think we should go check it out. People, stay tuned. We are going up. Yeah. And this is in Valpakot. Valpakot is in Saikot, or it's a different village.
Oh my goodness, this is scary.
Huh?
This is scary.
This is like Mizoram.
I am not going to drag.
Oh, Faith Academy. The school is beautiful. Oh my god, this is very nice.
Get down, no? Look how. Oh, even this. Kids can play.
Oh, they are going to have a park as well. And it's newly constructed, I believe.
Yeah. Nice. But they're not.
So we are going to go check out. Who is the owner? Who could be the owner? Okay. There is some. Okay, Faith Academy transform. This foundation stone for the construction of Faith Academy was blessed and laid by Reverend Salem Elmar, Presbytery Superintendent, Saikot Presbytery, EFCI, on 11th. Okay, they have laid this foundation way back in 2021. I've never seen this.
This is nice. Look at my friend. She is busy. For sure, for sure. This is nice. Look at the view. Look at the school. I don't think so we'll be able to go inside. So I'm going to show you from here. And that is my BMW. Kakalang. This place is really nice. This girl, seriously. This is Auntie Mary. She's with my BMW.
This is your Lamborghini, right?
This is BMW. Soon I'm going to get Lamborghini. Oh no, my Lamborghini is at home. This is nice. This is Children's Park. This is Children's Park. Yes, I'm very excited to see this. Yeah, you can climb here and you can sit in the middle, no? I'm scared. I'm scared of dogs.
Auntie Christine is running. Auntie Christine is driving down the hill. Woo. Faith Academy, Bethel.